Hello everyone, this is Feifei from Group 4, and now let me introduce our team first. Well, our team's name is No Fear, and our team slogan is No Fear, Take the Venture to Get a Star, which is meaning that we want to be good leaders who are willing to take the venture with the courage to actualize our dreams. And these are our team members. And today we're so glad to be here to share with you our findings about the challenges of leadership and come up with some feasible solutions for tackling them. And our presentation will focus on the three realms of leadership: coaching and developing people, managing diversity, and motivating and engaging people. And now let's start with the first part. According to our interviews, many experienced leaders think it is challenging to deal with a situation when people are defensive and pessimistic during coach. For example, they may find some excuses for their problems and are reluctant to take others' suggestions about developing themselves. They may believe that they are born with a certain personality or intelligence which is unable to change. And their mantra may be, I am born like this way and there's no way to change it. So, how to effectively reduce employees' resistance and negativity towards their problems and make them believe that they are capable to improve and change themselves and really take actions to develop themselves spontaneously can be a big challenge for leaders when coaching and developing people. And now let Eno introduce some solutions for dealing with this kind of problem.
Thank you, Feifei. Let's move to the next part. It's about coaching and developing solutions. The first solution is effective communication and listen actively. Leaders should use the SBI model to communicate effectively with employees to understand their programs and design future goals, then give constructive feedback. The second one is to help employees change their mindset. It is important to motivate employees to change their fixed mindset and develop a growth mindset based on their personalization. A growth mindset can encourage them not to be afraid of failure. Also, they will be open to challenges and willing to develop themselves from the inside out. It is also essential to create a safe learning environment. Most people need a learning environment to develop. The first thing is to create a recognized company culture in which they can establish a standard set of values and development goals. With the company culture as an inspiration and influence, employees will learn and develop from each other, creating a safe learning environment. In addition, leaders must create a systematic coaching or development strategy to guide employees in the right direction. The last one is time management. Leaders should instruct staff to plan their time wisely and use Covey matrix to develop their customized plan, which can improve their focus and persistence.
Thanks, Gino. Firstly, we will talk about the challenges of managing diversity in a workplace. According to our conducted interviews, the top three challenges of managing diversity are cultural misunderstandings, inequitable inclusion, and discrimination. Cultural misunderstanding can be common when you bring people from different cultures, different religion, different ethnicity, and different from parts of the world to work together. Another emerging challenge in recent past is inequitable inclusion. An inclusive workplace may mean something different to everyone, like it can be different for a transgender team member, or for a veteran suffering from post-traumatic stress disorder, or for a working parent having a child in care during work hours. As such, it's possible that your workplace will feel inclusive to some, but not to others. Another challenge in managing diversity is discrimination, as what we have found in our interviews, that as your team diversify, it's possible you could see more biases, discrimination, and harassment. In fact, 61% of the employees have witnessed or experienced discrimination based on age, race, gender, or LGBTQI identity. This can keep employees from bringing their authentic selves to work, hindering innovation, creativity, and teamwork. What are the solutions to the challenges of managing diversity in a workplace? The top 3 solutions based on our interviews that we have conducted with different leaders are: top management commitment to appreciate diversity, training programs, diversity audits. To manage a diverse workplace, top management of organizations need to ensure that they effectively communicate with employees. Policies, procedures, and rules and other important information should be designed to overcome language and cultural barriers. They should be playing active part in supporting the vulnerable groups and minorities in the organization. Training programs can help an organization manage diversity in a workplace by helping employees become more self-aware, which plays a vital role in helping employees understand their own culture, biases, and prejudices. Diversity audits will always help you to ascertain the effectiveness of your policies and procedure in managing diversity and how to improve it moving forward.
Thank you, Hassan. Without a workforce that is motivated to deliver their work, most businesses are destined to fail. Employees who have no investment in company goals are likely to underperform and lack of willingness to take the extra mile. In our interview, we found out most leaders had hard time in their career journey before to make their employee really involved in their job and maximize their productivity. Keeping employees motivated can be achieved by developing a strong sense of purpose. A sense of purpose begins with the company core values, which should go beyond the basics of the company products or service and is turned into the why it brings real value to the market. The second solution is building positive relationship among workplace, such as conducting team building exercise to help each team member strengthen a bond with their colleague, implement awards and recognition program to celebrate success. The third one is making employees recognize their values and how this contributes to the company society, and this can highly boost their performance as well. For example, give them encouraging feedback based on their daily progress. The last one is facilitating communications. Listen to employees and value their opinions and encourage an environment where open dialogue is the norm. A great leader can regularly engage with employees through informal chats, making it clear they can be approached with any concerns, feedback, or new idea. Sometimes the problem could be on the leader side, so there are some recommendations for leader as well. The first one is reminding humble. If the leadership strategy failed, just be honest and accept responsibility and ownership. Another example could be giving credit, since leadership recognition can foster a great employee relationship. Excepting for knowing how to motivate their employees, they should also understand how to motivate themselves as well. Such as maintaining a healthy lifestyle, gaining support from peers who can keep them on track. The last one is avoiding burnout. Timely communicate with HR when feeling overworked is a good idea, or maintaining a work-life balance. Now I'm going to pass the presentation to Yang Qi.
Thanks to the previous four members for their presentation. Overall, for leaders, it's about coaching and developing people, managing diversity, and motivating and engaging people. Therefore, how to effectively reduce the negative emotions of employee at work and make employees believe that they have the ability to improve and change themselves and are willing to take actions to develop themselves is a challenge that leaders face in employee coaching and development. Leaders need to adopt effective communication to provide assistance to employees, as teams' diversity, bias, and discrimination can ensue. This affects members' creativity and teamwork. Managing this requires ensure effective communication. A reasonable cooperation culture can give employees a sense of belonging and help them adapt and change faster. Time management provides the ability to focus. After providing employees with a sense of culture, identity, and security, leaders need to learn to motivate employees. A sense of mission is very important to employees. With a sense of purpose, employees will passively wait for work tasks. They try to copy with work and don't try to do their best. That's all for our presentation, and thank you for watching.